P, what it do?
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, welcome. My name is Samoya. On this channel we do all things lifestyle, beauty related videos. I'm still trying to find my niche, you guys, so I hope you subscribe and join the family. If you're a returning subscriber, Wagwan fam, welcome back. Today we have this 5x5 HD closure wig, and it's from Maxine Hair. The length of this hair is listed as a 32, and as I said, I wear wigs religiously. I think I'm professional in just guesstimating that this wig, I'm gonna try to stand up so you guys can see it. This wig is definitely not a 32 inch. It's definitely like a 150 rather than a 180 density. They did list it as a 180. I don't think it is. The pros and cons with this hair, guys, you get what you pay for, because it's listed online. I think I paid like $270 something for this unit. Closure wasn't bad. It's definitely not HD. It's wearable. You get what you pay for. You're not gonna get 32 inches anywhere for $200. So you definitely do get what you pay for. Can you finesse this hair for like a month? Yeah, if you don't wear your wig every day and you take it off at night, you could definitely get away with wearing this for a month. Do I think this is human hair? I think it's mixed. It's giving me Remy vibe. If you guys want to see how I install this unit, keep on watching.
Gotcha.
I need you now. I'm calling you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me that the yes. I try to keep you, and I need some lessons. I need to give it I tried to leave, but I can't. I don't know why I got the one. Drop me out of my mind. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Then I made it mess up my mind. And I made it make it free up the mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, if you leave I go. Loving your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, every day. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body, baby. Let me be certain. No one loves you again. No one wants you the same way. After the morning, my one was up on your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need.
Guys, this is the end of this video. If you're here, that means you watched the video. Hopefully you did like the video, and comment down below. Give me some tips and tricks you guys use to install your own units. I'm still learning, guys. I've recently just decided that I will be going to the hair salons less. I will be taking some hair classes to help me with installing my units. Usually I go to get my hair done like 2 times a month. I'm no longer doing that. I'm gonna have the link to this hair listed in the description box. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy.